you will see that there's no need to constrict yourself to this archetype of a martyr, that something has to give. It's just not true. Let's get back to that archetype of a martyr, right? So when people realize, after I work with them, that they realize that, wait a sec, I can do my life's work and I can actually be paid and I can be successful and I can be happy. One of the things everybody knows who works with me, you would be working on your relationships, absolutely, because energy is the same energy everywhere, right? You can't be brilliant in one place and be kind of so-so or miserable in another place in your life, because it's just what it really shows me is that you're sabotaging your success, right? You can't just grow, you just kind of warp, right? So, and there's plenty of energy exercises that I give out, and I show how to actually evenly expand energetically, that you're not doing that to yourself. But all of this is really, it's just a sign that you are living the martyr's archetype, right? That you are just sacrificing something in order to get something else, right? And so I've seen how people after training, when they experience the abundance of money, for example, that they had sold their talent and people really accepted them and they love them and they're receiving from them, right? There's no, no need to be afraid of people, right? All of those things. There's no need to be afraid of your own power. We're going to talk about this too much thing later on, right? So this is when suddenly their opinions change. The belief system starts crashing, because wait a sec, I quite like being successful. I quite like actually charging. I quite like living in abundance and be generous, right? Some of the people had told me, some of my clients had told me that they relaxed into the money. They relaxed into that thing that, oh my gosh, like I'm not stingy anymore. Right? It's beautiful. I love it. If I made somebody generous, right? Actually, one of the things my clients have to do is to give to charities. You will see. It's just, it's one of the ways you will see how your energy can expand and how you can actually experience giving without any strings attached, right? Because typically when we're talking about sales and when I teach people how to sell, so they really terrified of that exchange. So we first experience giving without any expectations, and charities are brilliant for that. So I'm sending love to all of the people who are doing amazing work for the world, and they're doing it just because they have the overflow, and including overflow of freaking money, right? Because if you're poor or you are struggling or you just get enough and just investing back in your business, but you don't really have that overflow, so who are you gonna help in this life, right? Hello, Bess. So people change, opinions change. When you experience abundance while you're living your path, when you're walking your spiritual path, when you're bringing your mission to the world, doing the work you meant to do, all of that stuff, you will see that there's no need to constrict yourself to this archetype of a martyr, that something has to give. It's just not true.